everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope you are very well. Today guys, I have shared with you crochet cardigans design. It's so amazing and gorgeous videos and different amazing designs for everyone. So I will keep sharing similar design with my all YouTube family. So friend, this video is so perfectly designs. These designs are so amazing designs for everyone, like more amazing ideas. So friend, this video it's so perfect designs and different gorgeous ideas, perfectly designs for everyone. Cardigans designs. So I will keep sharing similar design with my dear friend daily, inshallah, which is how you will like our videos. If any videos related to any pattern, so I will more attractive design एंड जो कार्डिगन्स टोटली आप लोगों को दिखाए जाते हैं काफ़ी अट्रैक्टिव और एलिगेंस डिज़ाइंस में होते हैं, अमेजिंग डिज़ाइंस हैं, अमेजिंग गॉर्जियस सी वीडियोस जो कि होपफुली आप लोगों के साथ शेयर की जाती हैं एंड डिफरेंट अमेजिंग डिज़ाइंस हैं. जो लाइक दिस अमेजिंग वीडियोस एंड अमेजिंग डिफरेंट पैटर्न्स वी आर शेयर मोर अट्रैक्टिव डिज़ाइंस like more elegant videos to get many more elegant ideas. Hope everyone like more amazing videos. So I will keep sharing similar design with my dear friend Lily, inshallah, wishes I will like our videos. If any videos related to any pattern, you get more elegant ideas. So friend, this video is so amazing. Hope everyone like more amazing ideas and different cardigans. I'll share all girls, all family members, all others, girls, university girls and simplicity girls, amazing designs. So I requested all of you to subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon and hit the button of all notification for more elegant and gorgeous videos. You get many more attractive elegant designs. Hope everyone like more amazing videos. Hope you guys like all these designs and different amazing design, different amazing gorgeous videos, different gorgeous ideas. So friend, this video it's so perfect designs for everyone. You like these designs, it's so perfect designs for our gorgeous videos and then different patterns design, etc, top blouses, Christmas decor and different amazing designs. These designs it's so perfect designs for elegance. So let's go, inshallah, we will meet again in the next video. Do not forget to subscribe if you guys are interested in my videos. So let's go, inshallah, we will meet again in the next video. Thanks for watching. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.